Hello everyone. In this video, we will draw development of lateral surfaces of the prism by using Fusion 360 software. So go to the sheet metal and first create the sketch. Select this horizontal plane to draw the top view of the given object. So let us consider a square prism. So by using this command, we can draw a square of 40 by 40 base. Press enter. Now we have to open this from one end, so we need to cut at this corner. So I will draw line here like this, and by using trim command I will erase this small part. I don't want this line, so select and delete, then click on finish sketch, click on home, then in sheet metal itself there is one command flange, so click on flange and select these lines and click and drag this arrow to give the height. So let us consider square prism of base 40 by 40 and height is equal to 60. So enter 60 and press enter key. So this is the square prism of base 40 by 40 and height 60. So we can take this prism on the sheet, give the name and click on save, click on OK. So this sheet will open and here we can place the object. Click OK. We can draw its top view also like this. We can give its dimensions also by using dimension command. From this to this, it is 40, but shear thickness of this sheet metal it is 2 mm. So 2 mm plus 2 mm it become 44. Height it is 60. Then this side to this side it is 40, like this. Isometric view also. Then go to this tab and here we have to do the development of these lateral surfaces. So click on modify, select unfold command, select stationary entity. So here it is cut, so we will select this as stationary, and then bends. So this is bend number 1, 2 and 3. So in this way we can get the development of lateral surfaces. Press OK, then click on design, drawing, from design. Now here we need to add this in same sheet, so select this untitled, then in same sheet we want this, so select sheet 1 and click OK. So here we will get the development like this. Or else we can convert this development into image. So select file, go to capture image, then transparent background, click OK, give name of this development of square prism, select desktop, save, and in this tab we can insert that image. So it is on my PC and here DLS of square, so open and insert here. We can increase scale from 1 to 5. Click and drag this. If we want 3D, then we can click on this, close. So here we can write the question and then we can convert it to PDF. All set. This is TLS of square prism. Select desktop, save. So here DLS of the prism. So we can take printout of this PDF. Thank you.